In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Apollo.io to effectively manage your professional contacts. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to the Apollo.io homepage. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your account to access all the standard features. Once you're on the homepage, take a minute to familiarize yourself with the layout. The interface is quite user-friendly, with various tabs and options that permit seamless navigation through different functionalities Apollo offers. The main page should have a vibrant mix of options like the dashboard, people, and more. But let's focus on streamlining your task today. To begin, let's take the first step by locating the search bar prominently placed at the top. Here you'll type in the highlight term or keyword relevant to your search. This action helps you pinpoint the exact information or contact you're seeking, allowing Apollo to sift through the database efficiently and bring forth the results you need. This feature is particularly handy when you're sifting through large volumes of data and helps in narrowing down the options to key results that matter to you. Next, when your results populate, keep your focus and click on the option labeled Ceotherm. This choice should stand out in your list. Ceotherm refers to the contact or company profile within Apollo. Accessing this page provides valuable insights and details about the contact's professional standing and any available contact data. Make sure to take a moment to review this information carefully, ensuring it aligns with your objectives. Moving forward within this profile, you'll want to click on the highlight button, which typically appears to emphasize or flag notable entries within the profile. This button is especially beneficial when marking important contacts that require follow-up or further examination later. It's a little trick that offers immense value in keeping track of significant connections. Now, if you look closely, you'll find an option to access emails. This feature is a strong suit of Apollo.io, offering a direct line of communication with contacts. Click on the Access Email link. Having direct access to email information can be decisive in establishing professional engagement, thus opening a new avenue for productive communication. However, before you proceed, you must comply with all ethical guidelines and company policies by clicking on I will comply. This step is crucial to ensure all interactions remain professional and within legal boundaries. Finally, the last part of our guide suggests adding the contact to a list. This is valuable for maintaining an organized portfolio of connections. Whether it's for outreach or keeping a tab on industry leaders, categorizing contacts into lists enhances efficiency in managing your network. By following these steps in Apollo.io, you'll optimize your professional networking capabilities easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all these options for a well-rounded experience on Apollo.io.